Great job, guys. Next up, we have Adeline playing on the piano.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to play my favorite piece called Lady Allison's Minuet. A minuet is a piece written in style of dance. It traveled from Europe to the United States in the 1700s when immigrants started landing. This piece was composed by Robert D. Vandal, our country's educational popular pianist. He created the song for his wife Karen, whose maiden name was Allison, hence the name Lady Allison's Minuet. I hope